So, ooh, that looks absolutely horrible. Well, I'll just shut that off. We have RetroTomTom's computer back, and not only has he brought me the tower back so we can finish it, he has brought me new SSD so we can get this thing up and running well. And, kind of hard to show it, but new case. Not only am I going to get this thing running, I got to do a complete and utter case swap. It's not that big of a deal. And he did, if you guys noticed from the previous build and what I had from the past, this, he did add this graphics card. So, yeah, it's a EVGA 750 Ti. First things first, let's get the screwdriver I know I had, and I've already seemed to have lost. Ah, here it is. Now, he does have a full-size hard drive. What's going to happen is the 240, this is going to become his main OS drive, and this is going to be his like big data drive, you know, OS or games, installs, stuff like that. Now he's already opened it. I want to look inside. This is a DeepCool Tesseract. It's actually kind of cool. So it's got this blue, it's hard to see, blue front trim, which definitely means we can't use the red fan that was in the other case because that'll just look goofy. Give me a second here. I got to fight the box. So we do get a 120 in the back. Okay, this will be great because this is toolless design. They're plastic, which is still nice. I would prefer something metal, but this is one of the more budget-friendly cases. It's actually not bad looking. Making sure I got everything clear. You do get a 120. No. There's a single 120 in the front that is almost split. The center point of the fan's right here, so that'll actually work great for. I can put the hard drive here. And the SSD right here. Power cabling will be good. Can I plug them in the... Yes, I can plug them in, hide everything in the back. So I gotta figure out the cable routing of all this. But it does look like they gave you a pretty healthy amount. My biggest complaint about the last one is I had to run that cable directly across. I'm not seeing a whole lot of difference this one, unless I can somehow get it up and under the motherboard, which I'm going to try. I'm going to make this attempt. Actually, that just fits to do that. Perfect. Oh, this case works so much better. This is all motherboard stuff, so all of this is literally just going to follow this. And this will work because I can put this underneath, and I can go hard drive and the SSD midway. I can do like hard drive SSD. That'll work, and that'll actually keep it nice and now, if I turn the connector right, I'm like, where ain't it going in? Well, you're not putting it in right, dummy. Power routing to the back of the case, so you don't see it. Nice, clean, pretty, tra-la-la-la, or something like that. I'm very much one of those people that if you're not inventing new cuss words while you're working, you're really not working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually bring this down to this one, and it's actually going to get tagged to this. I mean, you really don't need to do this. I think it looks prettier. And being as I'm the one that's going to look at it, even though most likely nobody else ever will, I'm going to do it this way. I got to undo that. I will be the only one that sees it, and that's enough for me to go crazy. But now you'll see one straight cable come up. Ta-da! Seriously, companies, stop putting these on fans. There's no point to it anymore. That's good, that's good, that's good. Ta-da! The build is complete. I'm gonna say, not too shabby. Came out pretty clean. Oops, I gotta reverse that. I did backwards the power and big happy button. Yay! Got lights. Oh, we got video. We are rocking. All right, we have life. 3.3 gigahertz, Ryzen 3 1200. We are there. She's built, she's running, and I'm going to work on getting Windows 10 installed. Shut off all this Windows tracking garbage. Why do we use Internet Explorer? So we can install Chrome or Firefox. So we're gonna name his secondary drive the Tom Vault because I can and I want to. I can package this up and hand it back to him. He will be a happy. Yep, Windows updates are all done. Well, we're done. Computer is built, computer is running, computer is happy. Love you guys. You guys take it easy. Appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you on the next build, which is either going to be today or tomorrow. Or later on today or tomorrow.